Good morning from Cirencester. So we are now in a little town 1 hour away from Bristol in a Cotswold. Nice area. Everybody knows Cotswold from the gin Cotswold or whiskey. So we are in a market today. This is a little market here in the front of the cathedral. And we will explore this market. We have another market to explore as well today. So yeah, interesting day here. Let's just walk around to see what we can find in this place, which is nice, beautiful and nice. By the way, it's a nice weather today, so yeah, a little bit chilly, but not very chilly. So yeah, you can see, you find here everything. Veggies, jewelries over here. If you want some jewelries, let's see what jewelries we find here. Yeah, it's nice, interesting. Maybe I'm looking for a ring. See if I find something which suit me. With my finger. So yeah. Necklace as well, pure silver, all of them. So yeah, we just arrived 20 minutes ago. We're looking to explore a little bit, and we will go to different place. So today is a Cotswold day. Yesterday was Glastonbury day, and yeah, pie. If you want to try a pie, it's here. Look at this, guys. Look at these beauties. How nice they are. And bread, veggies, and if you have fancy breakfast, you can have here. Fresh fish over here. So yeah. Let's go on that street to see what is there. Oh, look at this one. Charity shop over there. Like an art gallery here. So we can find some arts. Apparently it's a pub. Let's see what it's about. So today is a Friday, and yeah, the weekend is starting today. And yeah, we will be in Cotswold today. Tomorrow we're going to Wales. Yeah, it's gonna be first day in Wales. So we will go to Tenby, St Davis, one of the small cities in UK, in Wales. I don't know if it's in UK. So yeah, excited for that. But let me show you a little bit more about this little town. Well, if you want, you can come here to shopping. We're going now to the whole market shopping to see what we can find here and show you around. So this is the place. It's no, what? Yeah. So no filming. So this is the market. It's very beautiful. Quiet at the moment. It's early in the morning. So yeah, maybe later it's gonna be busy. So guys, that's everything from Cirencester. Now we move to the next destination, Bourton-on-the-Water. So yeah, if I like this place, yeah, it's okay, but it's not something what I really want to visit in my holiday, to say like that. I came here, I saw.
Well, you're being
It's
bloody
okay.
depressing, you are.
But yeah, we will see. Now it's time to move from the next destination, which I'm very excited. Very touristy and very beautiful. Let's hope so. See you later. It's a beautiful day today. Beautiful weather. Let's look around. Nice, enjoyable. Let's see the this is the what I'm talking about. The river here. There we go. Look at this. Look at this. Absolutely stunning. So beautiful. So this place is like 1.5 hour drive from Bristol. Maybe 1 hour from Oxford. Yeah. We're going in the right side here. Oh, yeah. A lot of terraces, ice cream. If you are fancy eating something cold. Yeah. It's beautiful. Bench, you can rest. Watching the water. We have a museum over there. A lot of pubs. Maybe later we'll have a pint of non-alcoholic. So yeah, beautiful here. I really recommend this place. We have in front of us a bakery on the water. We cross the bridge and going in that way. It's absolutely beautiful. So this is the museum, isn't it? The motor museum. Look at this car. Actually, it's not a car. Beautiful. Well, cafe over there. Okay. So we came across with these beautiful houses over here. Absolutely stunning. Let's see what's here. Here's the house. Let's go in that way. Explore this beautiful village. That's nice. So yeah, with some coffee shops here where you can chill for a drink, for a coffee, for a sandwich. If you want some sweets over here, this is the place. Look at this, man. Look at this. This is like a crama. The wines, pasta. We have another one in the left side. Another beautiful place. Yeah. We'll look a little bit in this way to see what else is here. You like your fancy ice cream over here? I'll show you the water, how clear it is, crystal clear. This is a place. Beautiful. She always broke my videos because she tried to be funny to push me in the water, but I love her. And look at this place. The restaurant here, very traditional English tea room, like tea rooms. Yeah, what can I say? It's beautiful. Happy to be here. First time I thought I would not like.
Why?
But now I really do. Yeah, been before in Cirencester, and you're gonna see in this vlog how it's look both of the places, so you can tell me your opinion about. It's not a big village, but there are a lot of nice houses, nice places to stay, to have a drink. You even can cross the water with your car over here if you are quite adventurous and you have a big car.
That's quite deep today, to be fair, this water.
So yeah.
Because we've had a lot of rain, it's not usually deep.
So yeah, today definitely we can cross this river or stream. What is?
Ford.
It's a ford. Just have the confirmation for the boss.
Well, that Ford.
It's a ford. Guys, we are in. Let me show you. Here we go. So here we have the village. There we go. The gardens, everything. It's looking beautiful. So the ticket cost me £4.50. Look, the beauty of the house. You have your post office here. There you go, guys. It's absolutely beautiful. Unique for £4.50. I really recommend you. This is absolutely great idea. So we have the hotel over here. I'm actually.
Oh, look at the church. That's so cute.
There we go. There is the city center statue, town center. Another house here. Yeah. Okay guys, we just have a quiche. I have a regular one. She has a vegetarian one. Didn't was that good like yesterday in Glastonbury, but it was okay. I didn't was very hungry. I just want to try to see how it look like here. Yeah. Now we moved to. I didn't film. Actually, I take a shot of the uh, quiche because it was very busy there, and I don't want people to feel like oh, it's filming. And yeah, it was okay, not the best. And now we move to the next destination.